Hey, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. Today, I'll be telling you what I bought for my computer build so far, for my AMD 9590 processor. So, okay, first off, we got video card, powercolor Radeon R9 380, 4 gigabytes. Okay, there's the back. Okay, I'll show you in a minute. It's in my computer, which I'm currently recording on it right now. I got the hiccups. Okay, just at the beginning of this month of February 2016, I bought this from Newegg. 3 terabytes, 7200 RPM. Yeah, so far it's pretty good. Haven't had nothing wrong with it. Same with the video card. Okay, well, I'll show you what memory sticks I got too here. So I got the Ripjaw's g.Skill. I think it is 4 gigabytes per one. For one stick, I got 16 gigabytes right now, so yeah, okay. So I have a stick, 4 sticks in there with 4 gigabytes each, which is 16 gigabytes in total, 10 total. Okay. The processor now. Okay. Oops, sorry. FX-9590 FX. Okay. Comes with the water cooler if you buy the 9590. There's nothing in here, it's all installed in my computer, but this is the box. I usually keep all my boxes just in case whatever being selling or reviews like this. Okay, well I guess I'll show you inside of my case now. So it's nothing too great right now. I'm just almost finishing building it. Right now I'm just focusing on the main components. So at the end of this month I'm going to buy 64 gigabytes of memory, which is going to be 8. One stick is 8 gigabytes, so yeah, and then I'm going to replace my my power supply also. I have a GS700 from Corsair, and it's not fully modular. There's cables all over the place, so hopefully in a couple months I'll get that all sorted out. But here is my computer build so far. Okay, so this is white, a white LED fan. Came with the case, the front panel here. Okay, GS700 power supply, and at the back here You see, it changes colors. So it changes to whatever theme you want, but my fan on the power supply is down right now, so you won't be able to see really see that. Sorry for my hiccups. Okay, here's the processor and the water cooler, the water block. Radiators right here with the two fans pushing air in, because it's cooler on the outside of my computer than it is on the inside, you know what I mean? So I wouldn't be dragging the air like this. So yeah, okay. And I have a rear exhaust fan up in here. This is the top of my computer now, so everything's going over here. The heat rises, so you want to always make sure you have fans are going outwards. If you're at the top fans, make sure they're pointing. The air's gonna push out the top here. Okay, there's my memory sticks right here, my g.Skill rip jaws. It's 2 gigabytes each, but I'm gonna buy 4 gigabytes each. I mean, sorry. Next is 8 each. Okay. The motherboard is ultra durable. Gigabyte. That's the motherboard. It has all these slots for hard drives and whatever else. Oh shit, sorry about that. And all these bays. Sorry, I have a webcam also. I really have to get used to this. Okay, so this is where my hard drive's at right now, my main hard drive. Okay. I'll put some into place there, and then this is my video card right here. I like it. It's pretty good. It does pretty good. Play World of Warcraft, and it does like 100 frames a second. Call of Duty, it's like around 60 to 100, depending on what quality you have it at, and then Minecraft's like over 200 frames per second. So this video card is really doing me with 4 gigabytes of RAM. It's doing me just fine. Yeah, I have a fan control because right now the video card is supposed to automatically adjust the fan speed when it's like getting really hot when you're in the game, but it doesn't seem to do that for me. So I got the MSI Afterburner and I downloaded it, installed it, and now, yeah, I have to use this fan controller. So okay. What else? Well, take a look at the back of this thing here. Alright. Okay, so there's the power supply. I have my display cable port right there. Gonna connect these. I'm gonna use those for right now. I don't have any other monitors. My audio, 23-pin audio, whatever it is, surround. Okay, we got all these ports. eSATA. Okay, and an optical. Okay, and then there's this in place for your own custom cooling kit. Okay, I'll show you at the front of my case here too. This is the front of it. CD drive. Soon I'm actually going to get a fan controller. I'm going to put the fan controller in this bay right up here. So it's going to lay out blue with 4 knobs. Here is your dust filter right here, as you can see. It's pretty dusty right there. Okay, so here's the fan, the front fan. And then all of the logos. AMD, Adobe, Ultra Durable, g.Skill, and Adobe Home Theater. This is from the motherboard, processor, and memory. Okay, power, and then reset switch is right beside it. Microphone and headphone jack, wherever these are, and then that's the hard drive light. USB ports right here. Oops. At the top of the case. Hold on. So at the top right here we have. So it's a Bitsy fan at the top here. And if I had my side panel on, I could lock it so no one could steal anything of mine. I have nerd friends, which I really don't have any friends that are into gaming or computer building, so pretty safe there. I like this case because everything's just push it on and it will click just like that. So yeah, there is my computer build. So oh yeah, okay, now with my liquid cooling, my 9590 right now is sitting at, hold up here, okay, it's 28 degrees probably. Okay, the GPU, which is the video card, is like 35 Celsius, so 34. Okay, this is what I have my video card overclocked to, if anyone is interested. It's actually pretty stable. Okay. And for overclocking, I click these. Just don't click that one, I guess. So, and then into here. Hold on a second. Which screen capture on screen display. Okay, and then click more on screen display. Go to on screen display up here. Go to more. If you're having crashes with your frames per second, sure it's in global, and then click this to off right here. Make sure that's off. And this is set to none. Okay, then I just exit this. Set your stuff there. This is the information. Okay. I have a 60-inch. This is a 60-inch right now. It's not great for gaming, I can tell you that. Okay. So don't be high and mighty. Get a big 60-inch non-fucking gameable TV. It really isn't the greatest. Okay. So that's it for that video. We'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.